Hello. Today I like to explain something regarding the SIKA EC7 Process Multimeter. This device is an DMM in combination with a multifunction process calibrator. So that means you can measure different electrical signals in combination with generation of different signals. And the setup of the device is, of course, have a large display, have different operating buttons, and a rotary switch to select the desired functionality. Today I like to explain something regarding the milliamp measurement in DC and AC. And to do this, you have to connect the plus terminal to milliamp input and the minus to the COM terminal. And then if you like to start, you can select the desired function. In our case, we see on the display milliamp in DC, and the terminals are connected, and now I give a signal. For example, I generate 10 milliamp in DC. If I like to have AC, I can switch over by operating this operating button, and then of course it's an AC, but I have an DC source, so you will not see the right value. So that means I switch back to DC, and then I see the right values, the 10 milliamps. Additional informations on the display, it's a measurement, of course, and also you see the information regarding auto ranging. So that means the device selects the right and suitable best resolution for the measurement setup. This is the auto ranging function, and you see the information regarding S, and S means the speed, the measuring rate of the instrument. You can change between S and F, and S means you have a measurement speed of 200 milliseconds. That means 5 measurements per second. If you change over to F, then you have 20 measurements per second. That means a measuring rate of 50 milliseconds. Yeah? This is this operating button. You can change over the measuring rate. Another possibility is to select the decimal places by the range button. So you push the button, and then you see auto is gone, and you push again. Then you see only one decimal place behind the decimal point. If you come back, you see 2 decimal places behind the decimal place. I select this, so 9.9 milliamps. Additional functionality is the relative measurement. So that means we see a value of 9.9 milliamp, and I operate now the relative operating button, and I see the value of 9.9 milliamp is stored on and shown on the auxiliary display, on the small display, and the upper display shows 0. Now I increase by 10 milliamp, yeah, and so you see the delta is now 10 milliamps. So that means 9.9 plus 10 is 19.9, so the delta is a plus. If you operate again the button, then you see a percentage. In this case, it's 100. So it's twice the basis value. So 100% is plus. To come back to the standard indication, you select again the relative operating button, and then you see the 19.9 milliamps again as a standard measurement in the large display. The hold operating button will store the value of the display 90.9, and in the lower display you see again 90.9. But if you change, for example, the value, then the stored value is still shown in the large display, and in the lower auxiliary display you see the actual value. Change a little bit the values that you can see it. So this value is stored, and this is the current actual measurement of the milliamp. To come back to standard measurement, you push again the hold button, and then you are back in the standard DC milliamp measurement. Yeah, that's all what I like to explain.